Well, got this Mercury 240 Speedster. Customer brought it in due to, it says lack of power, thought engine was definitely bogging down. Unfortunately, there's no way to pre-test that in the condition this thing came in. So our pump housing bolts, this was the only one holding it in together. It is bent. It's gonna need new ones of those. Honestly, that's the least of his problems. The whole housing was loose, cocked downward. It was everything. Main pump area and secondary nozzle. This impeller is completely toast. Here's where your wear ring sits. Yeah, it's a bit beyond that. Unfortunate with all these bolts being loose. The impeller rode all inside of this housing. You can see that right there. I mean, that is just, geez, it's got to be 2 to 3 millimeters. Need a new one of those. Here's where the fun part comes in. Bearing carrier assembly is completely just toast. I'll open this, but all this is all damaged. You're gonna have this jet nozzle. This will get wear and tear over time, sandblasting on it, everything else. It will slowly affect performance, but with this bearing carrier assembly destroyed, I don't know, maybe I can get this assembly by itself. We'll see. There's nothing but just complete water in there. That's supposed to be a sealed unit. You drain and you fill your fluid here, and you service it. So this is going to be a complete wipeout on this pump. I can't stress to you guys enough. I mean, if you are starting to have problems on your boats, your jet drives, your jet skis, thankfully this nozzle's okay. Get it off the water. Quit running it. This is going to cost thousands. I have to be honest. It's not good. So we're start looking up parts and give the customer a call. My only worry here is the fact that with this causing cavitation in the water, it was not sending the engine water. And these automatically do not pick up water well at all. You could hook a garden hose up to it or anything, it does not matter. It will not pump enough water. My only worry is maybe he was having engine issues due to overheating. And maybe a bad head gasket. It runs good. I can't tell under load, obviously. My first thing here was to just pull this apart and check, see how bad it was, enough to run and put it back together and go take it on the water and check, but I can't. This is not able to be ran. So I gotta get some parts found, and we will get this thing back on the water. So another video to follow. Yeah, any questions or anything, put them in the comments. As of for right now, this boat is not going to hit the water within the next week for sure. So, all right, peace out, like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks.